last lesson, we learned about addition and subtraction of integers. Today, we are going to learn about multiplication and division of integers. In actual fact, multiplication and division of integers are easier than addition and subtraction of integers.
First, we need to remember that multiplication is actually repeated addition. When we add the same number for 4 times, that is called times 4. For example, if we have 4 times 5, we add the number 5 4 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. If we have 4 times -3, we add the number -3 4 times. -3 plus -3 plus -3 plus -3. Now, let's look at multiplication of integers. When we are multiplying two numbers with like signs, either positive with positive or negative with negative, the answer is going to be positive. But when we are multiplying two numbers with unlike signs, either positive with negative or negative with positive, the answer is going to be negative. We are going to start with the simplest one. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. 2 is the arrow in dark blue. With times 4, we are going to repeat it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 arrows, each having a values of 2. When we add them up, we get 8. Next, we have 2 times -4 is equals to -8. Again, 2 is the arrow in dark blue, but now we have times -4. With negative, we are going to reverse the direction of the arrow, and then times 4, meaning adding the same number 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get -8. So here we can see that when a positive number times a negative number, we get a negative number. Another one. -2 times +4 is equals to -8. Here the number 2 is negative, so it's directed towards the left. And then times 4. The 4 here has a positive sign, meaning we are going to keep the direction unchanged. And times 4 means adding the same number 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we get -8. Here again we see that when a negative number times a positive number, we get a negative answer. And the last one is -2 times -4 is equals to +8. 2 is negative, so it is directed toward the left. Times -4. With negative, we are going to reverse the direction of the arrow. And then times 4, meaning adding the same number 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get 8. So we see that when a negative number is multiplied by a negative number, we get a positive answer. Okay, now let's look through very quickly what we have discovered so far. When we are multiplying two numbers with like signs, either positive with positive or negative with negative, the answer is going to be positive. But when we are multiplying two numbers with unlike signs, either positive with negative or negative with positive, the answer is going to be negative. Okay, now let's look at a few questions here to make sure that we really get it. 3 times 4. These are like signs. Both of them are positive, so the answer is positive 12. -5 times -2. These are like signs as well. Both are negative. So the answer is positive. Positive 10. 3 times -6. These are unlike signs. So the answer is negative. Negative 18. -4 times 2. These are unlike signs. So the answer must be negative. Negative 8. -3 times 2 times -5. For this one, we do the first 2 first. -3 times 2 unlike signs. So we get negative 6. Negative 6 times negative 5. This one is like sign. So the answer is positive. Positive 30.